One of the greatest feats in aviation history happened in just 6 minutes. U.S. Airways Flight 1549 took off from LaGuardia in 2009. And then, just minutes later, bam! Both engines hit by a flock of geese. With no power and no time, Captain Sully makes a crazy decision. Return to the airport? Not an option. He's aiming for the Hudson River. And against all odds, he pulls off a perfect landing. 155 people on board, and everyone survives. A true miracle. Captain Sullenberger became an instant hero, and it was all thanks to quick thinking and nerves of steel. Think you could handle the pressure? Let us know in the comments.